guys, so I came home on my lunch break today and my Sephora Playbox was here, so I decided to go ahead and sit down and film it with you guys so we can see what's in this July Sephora Playbox. So I got a little knife here, I'm gonna cut it open and let's see what they've sent me for the month of July. Here's the 50 points that you get, and that has all the information as to what you get in the box. It says love tips, tricks, and beauty hacks, sephoraplay.com. So here's what the box or the bag looks like this month. It is just a regular standard red and white bag from Sephora. Let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got this month. So let's see, the first thing I'm pulling out is a Ruha colorful hair mask for gorgeous color. What in the world? So this must be the sample that they've sent today. So it just must be a hair mask. I've never even heard of this brand before, so that's pretty interesting. I'll be excited to try that since I color my hair a lot. All right, the next thing I have in here is a Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. I don't know if I've tried this before, but I'm always excited to get new cleansers, especially the gel kind. I like to use them at the beginning of my wash. I use this before I use the soap cleanser, so these are nice. I'll definitely give that a try and see how that works out. I've heard a lot of good things about the Rainforest of the Sea cleansers, so. Oh, nice. I've got a blush from Tarte in the color Party. Let's see, that's a pretty color. That's actually kind of light. That might be more of a highlighter color, but that's pretty. I'm always excited to get anything from Tarte, so this must be a Tarte bag this month. So that's a pretty color. We'll see how that works. I might already have that color. I do, I actually already have this color, so let me show you the one that I have. I'll swatch that one for you. Here. There it is, it's super light. You probably can't even see it. So this one here that I have will probably end up going in a giveaway at some point. I'm gonna put it in my box so I don't use it on accident. All right, next I have is a Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. So that's what that looks like. What is that? This must be like a face pack this month. So a hydrating moisturizer that nourishes, protects, and leaves skin soft, smooth, and glowing. So it says to apply a quarter size amount to face, neck, morning, and night after cleansing. So it's just your regular standard cream, but Josie Maran has some really nice ingredients and she has some really nice products. So I'm excited to try that. I love to get face creams because I use them every single day, twice a day. All right, next we have another item from Tarte. So this is a lipstick, it looks like, in the color Salt Life. Let's see what that looks like. I'm just gonna swatch it here. That's a pretty color. This is one that I would definitely use on a daily basis. It doesn't have a scent to it at all, but you know, I enjoy getting these little neutral type of color lipsticks. These are ones that I can easily take with me to work and not have to worry about a big lipstick with me all day. So that's one that I'll definitely get some use out of, and it's actually a color that I would use on a daily basis. All right, next we have, it's from Caudalie. Here's what it is, and this is all in a different language. Do they have something in English? I don't know what this is. Let me see if I can find it here. It is a gentle treatment that removes dead skin, so serums and moisturizers can do their thing. So I'm assuming this is a toner of some sort. I would assume it's a toner if that's what it does. After cleansing, use hands or a pad to apply to face and follow with a serum or a moisturizer. So yes, this sounds a lot like a toner of some sort. It's a Veno Perfect brightening essence. I'll definitely leave the information and a full-size picture of it so you guys will know what this is. But that was everything I got in my box this month. I'm actually excited about this stuff because it's all like face products. I've been enjoying a lot of new face products and, you know, discovering things. So this is going to be nice to give a try and see if it's something that I want to pick up the full-size products with. So let me know what you guys got in your Sephora Playbox this month. That was everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I shall talk to you guys sometime within the week.